Hey guys, welcome back to today's video, another video. In today's video, we're going to be making a video. So don't mind what the loud noise, it's the TV. Now we're going to be playing Block 30 because I want to show you guys how to build 2 floors. And I have the Game Pass, I think. And go follow me. My username is Princess A2626. And I have Pastel here in the game. Let's see if I have the Game Pass. Yep, I have it. So I'm gonna build a house. And I'm using the iPhone 6 to show you. I'm just gonna try to demonstrate. So I have never done this before, just watched the video. Okay, I think that's good. Now we need some floor. Now what I'm gonna build is some walls. Okay, I do not know how to do this. Is it this? I heard it's like, I think it's this. Okay, I think it's like this. I think this is it. Yes, I got it.
Sign up. Another easy way to make money in SwagPay is by completing the daily tasks that SwagPay gives to their users. Alright, let me show you some of this website features. Here you can see there is a sign-up bonus. You're going to get $25 when you sign up. This is a sign-up bonus that's available for a very limited time. Alright, let me log in into SwagPay. As you can see here, this is the dashboard. The first thing you will see here is your profile. So if you refer someone,
this is hard, you guys.
Please note that you don't abuse that because they can ban your account if they find something suspicious in your referrals. So, I made this much money so far. I have completed 60 to 70 easy tasks. Here you can see share your link. You can use this to share your link with your friends, family, or your
Okay, this is more better.
Right now using SwagPay. Now the most important thing is the daily tasks. You can go
Now you can just delete this.
tasks that you can complete every single day. Each task makes you money, and you can earn up to $200 to $300 per day easily just by completing different tasks.
And
Now I will show you how you can cash out the money that you have made.
put a roof on it.
Many different ways to cash out the money that you have made. You can use PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, but there are other different ways too.
And this is mine with a big house, and it has 2
Mind
floors.
that you need to earn at least $50 before you can cash out. This is the minimum cash out threshold. So what are you guys waiting for? Sign up, invite some friends, complete some daily tasks, earn some money, and get this money in your bank account. And if you like it, then you can create a daily routine. Come here every day.
I can't believe I built a little bit of my little house. Now, what should I do? What do we need to add? A door. Look at my little big house. So that's how you build a house. Woo! I built my first big house because I never built a 2-story house. So I'm gonna try to build a bigger house than this. So thank you whoever watched this. Bye guys. Love you guys. Mommy, I just built a 2-story house. You heard? I just built a 2-story house for the first time.